Retiring early with a steady stream of dividend income sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's more achievable than you might think. Today, I'll be giving you some essential tips to start living off dividends and enjoying your golden years without financial stress. First things first, let's talk about what dividends are. When you invest in stocks, some companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders. These payments are called dividends. Essentially, it's like getting a regular paycheck just for owning shares of a company. Now, how do you get started? Step 1 is to build a diversified portfolio. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in a mix of companies across different sectors, like technology, healthcare, and consumer goods. This way, if one sector has a downturn, others might still perform well. Next, look for companies with a strong track record of paying and increasing dividends. These are often referred to as dividend aristocrats. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. They're reliable and can offer peace of mind. Another important tip is to reinvest your dividends. Instead of spending them right away, use them to buy more shares. This can accelerate your portfolio growth through compounding. Over time, this snowball effect can significantly boost your dividend income. Also, consider using tax-advantaged accounts. In the UK, for example, an individual savings account, ISA, allows you to invest up to a certain amount each year without paying taxes on the dividends. This can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. Now let's talk about setting a target. Determine how much income you'll need annually to cover your living expenses. Then calculate the amount of investment required to generate that income through dividends. For instance, if you need $30,000 a year and your portfolio yields 4% in dividends, you'll need a portfolio worth approximately $750,000. Lastly, keep an eye on your investments, but avoid micromanaging. Review your portfolio at least once a year to ensure it aligns with your goals. If a company's performance deteriorates, it might be time to sell and reinvest in a more promising opportunity. Retiring early through dividend income isn't just a fantasy. With careful planning and disciplined investing, you can make it a reality. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your dividend income grow over time. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips and advice. Here's to a happy and financially secure retirement.